In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your address on Shopify. This is helpful if you want more privacy and don't want your store address appearing on packing slips. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, click on Settings at the bottom left corner. Inside the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. Now scroll down until you find the Packing Slips section. Click on Edit Template to open the Packing Slip Code Editor. Inside the code editor, scroll through the template and look for the line that contains Shop Address Summary. This line is responsible for showing your store address on packing slips. Simply delete that line from the template. After removing it, click Save at the top right corner. To make sure everything looks correct, click Preview Template and check that the address no longer appears on the packing slip. And that's it. You've successfully hidden your address on Shopify packing slips. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Shopify.